Hello, my friend. Today we are going to deconstruct an icon. It's a taste of childhood, a masterpiece of dunking, and a global phenomenon that sees over 10,000 plates of its signature pasta dish devoured every single minute. We are, of course, talking about spaghetti. From humble home kitchens to the most glamorous Michelin-starred restaurants, these golden strands have captivated the world. But have you ever wondered about the incredible industrial journey that transforms a simple grain of wheat into millions of tons of perfect pasta each year? Today, we will travel from the sun-drenched wheat fields to the heart of the high-tech pasta factory to uncover the secrets of how spaghetti has reigned as the undisputed king of the pasta kingdom for centuries. Our story begins in Italy, the undisputed birthplace of pasta, where over 3 million tons are crafted annually. While Italy is the heart of pasta culture, it surprisingly isn't self-sufficient in its most crucial ingredient. To achieve the perfect texture, Italian pasta makers rely on a specific type of wheat, durum wheat, prized for its high protein and gluten content. This gives pasta its signature firm, al dente bite. Much of this premium wheat is imported from the vast golden fields of countries like Canada and the United States. And it is here that the journey begins. Every June, as the endless fields of wheat turn a brilliant gold, the colossal machines of the harvest roar to life. A modern combine harvester is a factory on wheels. At its front, razor-sharp blades cut the stalks, which are then pulled into an internal threshing system. Here, high-speed rotating drums work tirelessly to separate the valuable wheat grains from their husks and stalks. The leftover straw is expelled back onto the field to act as a natural fertilizer, while a smart filtering system ensures only the best quality grains are kept. A single one of these machines can process over 90 tons of wheat per hour, a feat that would require hundreds of manual laborers. Once the internal grain tank is full, an automated unloading system transfers the wheat directly into large transport trucks, ready to begin their journey to the pasta factories. Upon arrival at the plant, the durum wheat must pass a rigorous quality check. A robotic arm takes samples directly from the truck, which are rushed to a lab to analyze key factors like protein content, moisture, and hardness. Only if the wheat meets the strict standards is it approved for unloading into massive silos, where it is protected from the elements, ready for its transformation. The first step in this alchemy is to turn the wheat grain into semolina, the coarse, protein-rich, golden flour that forms the soul of all great pasta. This begins with a meticulous cleaning process, where a combination of sieves, magnets, and air jets removes any impurities. The clean kernels are then sent into powerful roller mills that crush and break them down. With each round of milling, the grain is passed through vibrating sieves that expertly separate the bran and germ from the finer endosperm. By the end of this process, all that remains is pure, golden semolina, the perfect raw material for crafting high-quality pasta. Now, the real pasta making begins. The semolina is funneled into massive industrial mixing vats, where purified water is gradually added, making up about 35% of the total mixture. In industrial production, high-powered machines knead this into a rough dough in just a few minutes. This dough then enters the extruders, the true sculptors of the pasta world. Inside these massive machines, immense pressure forces the dough through specialized dies, which are precisely crafted plates, often made of brass, that contain the intricate holes that will give the pasta its final shape. It is here that the wonderfully diverse world of pasta is born. The design of the die determines the destiny of the dough. Will it become a spiral of fusilli, a tube of penne, or the long, elegant strands of spaghetti? To create spaghetti's iconic form, the dough is pushed through ultra-fine round dies with absolute precision, typically producing strands between 1.5 to 2 millimeters in diameter. A high-speed rotating blade then cuts the strands to their perfect length, usually between 25 and 30 centimeters. After shaping, the spaghetti enters one of the most crucial stages of its journey, drying. Freshly extruded pasta has a high moisture content and must be dried properly to ensure a long shelf life and the perfect cooking texture. The delicate strands are carefully arranged on trays and moved into advanced drying chambers. Here, hot air circulates consistently and evenly, slowly reducing the moisture content to a stable 12-13%. This is a process of extreme precision. Even the slightest variation in temperature or humidity can cause the spaghetti to break, stick together, or bend out of shape. After drying, the strands pass through a cooling phase to stabilize their structure. Finally, once the spaghetti has passed all quality checks, it heads to a fully automated packaging system. The spaghetti is precisely portioned by weight and sealed into individual packages. Sharp blades swiftly separate each pack, and they are then bundled into boxes, ready to begin their final journey from the factory floor to supermarket shelves, and ultimately to the heart of kitchens and the joy of shared meals around the world. From a humble grain of wheat to an iconic global dish, the journey of spaghetti is a remarkable testament to the perfect blend of agricultural bounty and industrial artistry. This deep dive into the secrets of a global icon is the kind of story we love to share. What is your all-time favorite pasta dish? And what do you think is the secret to a perfect plate of spaghetti? Let us know in the comments below. To make sure you never miss another delicious behind-the-scenes journey, be sure to subscribe to the Agri360X channel. We publish a new, fascinating video every day at 7 p.m. We look forward to seeing you there.